In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see subscriptions in Amazon app. By the end, you will know exactly where your memberships and recurring charges are listed, all inside the Amazon Shopping app. To begin, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone or tablet. Once it loads, you should see the familiar Amazon home screen, with the search bar across the top and different product sections below. If you use more than one Amazon app, such as Amazon Music or Kindle, make sure you are opening the main Amazon Shopping app with the cart icon. Now, sign in to your Amazon account. If you are already signed in, the app will show your name near the top, or your recent browsing. If you are not signed in, you will see a prompt asking for your email address or mobile number and your password. After you enter your details and continue, the app will refresh and bring you back to the home screen, but now tailored to your account. Next, tap the profile icon, which looks like a small person outline at the bottom of the screen. It is usually near the bottom menu, alongside icons like Home and Cart. When you tap it, the view changes to your profile area, where you can see things like your orders, your lists, and your account settings. A beginner tip here: if you share a device, this screen is also a quick way to confirm you are on the right Amazon account by checking the name shown at the top. From there, tap your account. This opens a longer list of account options, arranged in sections. You will see things like your orders, your addresses, login and security, and several other tiles and links. This section controls your personal details, payment methods, and many behind-the-scenes settings that affect how Amazon works for you. Now, scroll down and tap Memberships and Subscriptions. Take your time scrolling because it can sit a bit lower on the page, beneath options like Manage Payment Options or your messages. When you tap Memberships and Subscriptions, the app opens a dedicated page focused on anything that renews automatically, such as Amazon Prime, Kindle Unlimited, Amazon Music Unlimited, and Subscribe and Save deliveries. You might see this page take a brief moment to load while it gathers your details. Here, you will see your active subscriptions listed, each usually in its own section or row. For every subscription, look for the subscription name, like Prime or Kindle Unlimited, the renewal or billing date that shows when the next charge will occur, the price that you will be billed, and the current status, such as active, trial, or expired. If an item is in trial, you will often see the end date of the trial, so you know when it converts to a paid plan. If something is expired, it stays listed here for a while, so you can quickly recognize that it is no longer charging your account. With all that done, you have now learned how to open the Amazon Shopping app and see every membership and subscription tied to your account. If this helped you understand your Amazon subscriptions, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Amazon tips.